one evening, Maya watches her baby cousin sleep. She whispers, "Every person begins so tiny, but how?" No one gives her the answer. She must look for clues. At school, she sees a plant growing from a seed. The teacher says softly, "New life starts when two tiny parts meet." Maya wonders, do humans also begin when two tiny parts join? During a nature walk, she sees bird eggs in a nest. Her guide says a mother bird keeps her eggs safe inside her body first. Maya thinks, do humans also have a safe place inside where life begins? Later, she sees a vet holding a puppy gently and saying, it grew in a protected room inside its mother. Maya whispers, is there a special room inside every woman for babies to grow? At home, she asks her mother, how does the tiny part that begins a baby even arrive there? Her mother smiles and says, adults have a way to give the tiny cell to the woman's body. Maya thinks quietly. So is there a passage for it? Next week, the class watches a video of salmon swimming upstream. The voice says, the father fish releases tiny cells. They travel to the mother's eggs. Maya wonders, do humans also have tiny cells that travel from one body to another? In science class, the teacher shows a flower diagram. Pollen travels down a tube to meet the plant's egg. Maya thinks, maybe inside humans, is there a pathway where two tiny cells meet? During a family gathering, Maya notices two newborn twins in their mother's arms. Someone says, they grew inside her for many months. Maya asks herself, so the protected room must stay strong while the baby grows. Another day, her uncle explains, only girls carry the tiny cells that become the start of a baby. Maya questions softly, do girls keep their tiny life seeds inside, waiting? She sees a documentary where a male seahorse releases tiny cells in water, and the narrator says seahorse has a special place inside. Maya wonders, do boys also have a special place in them where their tiny cells are made? In the zoo, Maya sees a newborn baby animal. The guide says it moves through a special passage out of the mother's body. Maya whispers, so humans must also have a passage for babies to be born, do they? Her science teacher says, all humans begin the same way. Two tiny cells join inside a woman. Maya thinks hard. So the joining must happen deep inside before the baby grows. Seeing a toddler learning to walk, she wonders, at the very start, how did this child begin? She imagines the mother once carrying a tiny life seed in her protected room. The teacher adds, boys' bodies make one kind of tiny cell. Girls' bodies make the other kind. Only when the two join does a new life begin. Maya feels the idea settling slowly, like a secret she now understands. Now, when Maya sees a baby in a pram or a child in the park, she wonders, inside every person, there must be places where tiny cells wait, travel, meet, and a protected room where new life begins. She cannot unnotice how all living things begin with two tiny parts joining. Watch life first, then open the book. Signing off from Cognitive Arc. Bye for now.